Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 3. So today I wanted to show you around my living space in my house and the Christmas decorations I put up and the thought that went behind them and where I got some of the stuff in case you guys are needing to decorate and want some help or like my style and you want to copy some of the things I've done. I will walk you through it. So let's get started. The first thing I have is this little pine cone display on my ottoman, and I have these, they look very yellow in this light, but in person they're like a gold light, and I have them draped throughout there. And these pine cones are sugar pines. They are the biggest pine cones I think in the world, and we have a secret spot where we have found some. So we pick them and then I spray them so they don't drip sap. Yeah, I thought that'd be just a cute, like, natural looking centerpiece. Okay, let's move over here to my little table. We had everybody over for Thanksgiving, and so all of the Thanksgiving ads are in this basket. I'm going to change that out to some Christmas magazines and Christmas cookbooks and whatnot. But on it, I've hung these cute little black and white candy canes, and I got these from Michael's. They're actually Oreo flavored, so I haven't tried them yet, but I'm very excited to give those a try. And then over here to the right, we have our salt lamp. And then I just took some extra ornaments. My girlfriends and I did an ornament making a few days after Thanksgiving, and we had some leftover, so I put them in these clear vases. This isn't exactly how I'd want it. We did have a garland here, but I took it down so we could use it for wreaths. I think I might spruce this up a little more, so go over and follow my Instagram page if you haven't. I'll post it on there if I redo this space. Down here, I just think this is interesting, and I live in a super dry climate, but I'll link this humidifier below. This is from HSN. It is from Air Innovations, and I love this thing. It comes in a few different colors, but I love it, so I thought I should mention that. So we got the Christmas tree at Michael's. It's a 7-foot pencil tree that's flocked. I've had the star for a really long time. And then we got the base, the fluffy base from Marshall's, and it's so soft. It's like the most cozy, soft thing, and I just love it. And then we have a bunch of ornaments. So I got these fluffy ones from Target, and then these glass ones I ordered online on Amazon. They're supposed to look like bubbles. I got these cream colored ones. I got these at Michael's. These flowers are from Michael's. And then moving up, I actually got these little ones at the dollar store, these little glittery ones. All were from the dollar store. I was so surprised to find those. I went in there for something else, and that's what I found. And then it's just covered like that throughout the tree. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. I took about 2 hours doing this chalkboard for Thanksgiving, so I didn't want to take it down. So I just added Mary and thought it still looked Christmassy. What do you guys think? Do you think I need to change the whole thing? Let me know what you think. We're gonna walk to the back of this room. We have this cute little sitting area that's super cozy. I have these new stockings. There's one for me, Brandon, and Abby. These are from World Market. They're like a heavy knit. I just love them. These lights I've had for a long time, but I got them at Marshall's. The garland is from Michael's as well. And then I made this wreath. And this is super cozy in here when you're actually standing in here. The video kind of makes the light funny, but it's very cozy. And then over here it's just a very simple setup. I have 2 candelabras, which I think I got at Pier 1. This tree is my great-grandma's, so, or my grandma's or my great-grandma's, I don't know, it's a family thing, so I love it though. I think it's super cute. And then one of my very favorite candles, this is Bonfire by Sand and Fog. It smells so good. And then I just put this little Noel sign in there. It's battery powered and it lights up pretty cute in there. Over here we have our little dining room table, and as you can see, it butts up to that sitting area over there. And this is not our normal dining room table. Ours is actually being used in a project. We have this cute little tree that I got from Michael's, and then I strung these lights on it, and these ones in the back are broken, so it worked out perfect. But then on the table, I like to keep our table really simple because we always have these pasta bowls on our table. I have some napkins up here, and then I have some antlers. These antlers actually, Brandon and I found them, so it's pretty cool. So I also want to show you guys the entryway because it's a newly completed project, and it's a space of the house that kind of gets missed because it's just at a weird spot. Yeah, you see it right when you walk in, but when I'm filming and stuff, it doesn't really translate. So I'm going to show it to you guys. Let me turn you around. Okay, so here's our entryway. We just painted this wall charcoal gray, and I bought this old vintage sign from a local store, which is super cool. I love it with the gray. There's a little entryway bench where you can put your shoes and sit there and take your shoes off. We have some candelabras up. I think that one's crooked now that I'm looking at it. Need to fix that. And then up there, we don't have any wine. We just drank all of our wine from Thanksgiving. But up top is a dried orange cinnamon sage thing that one of my very best friends got me for my 30th birthday, and it smells so good. I love it so much. This is a new little addition. It's our bar cart. We had some Malibu out for Thanksgiving, and we have all of our like wine openers and whatnot in that little crystal container there. And we need to switch these out to the whiskey, the normal stuff that's there. And then up top, we've got a wine decanter, some cups from Thanksgiving. We had some nuts out and a little candle. So for the most part, the things you just saw are our main decorations. I'm going to pan out and show you the entire room so you can kind of get a feel for how Christmassy it is. But then there's our little Christmas pup right on her blanket. She's a very good girl, huh? Hi, honey. Hi. She's just a little bit sad today. You're sad today? Do you want your hedgehog? Your Christmas hedgehog? Okay, there you go. It's muddy out there, huh? Is our small humble abode. We have another section of the house that are bedrooms and bathrooms, but I'm doing laundry and I don't want to show it today. So maybe another time if you guys are interested, but this part of our house is definitely where all the decorations happen. By the way, we got new couches. Yeah. We needed smaller couches for our space. I will see you tomorrow with another vlog. Love you very much. Bye.